Okay. We're. Ooh. Oh my gosh, I got too. Oh, like a nerd, I got too excited. We're. Jesus. We're in the middle floor. On the middle floor, like we call it, the hall. A little while ago, we did a walkthrough, Alex and I, just showing you kind of the update of where they were. But so much was going on, and there was like machinery, and things were covered, and it was dusty. But we've cleaned it all up. We've got it to a place where it's empty, but we can start putting furniture and stuff in. There's still obviously little bits and bobs to do, but for the most part, the bones are all there. And it's a beautiful day with good lighting outside, so I want to walk you through and see where the middle floor is, because it's really cool, incredible to see it all come together. And yeah, let me show you. All right, so obviously this is the hall. You can see the herringbone hardwood floor with the brass trim, and it is an inlay to the terracotta tile floors. With the terracotta tile floors, that's the around it, I got 1/3 of these kind of darker ones and then 2/3 of these lighter ones, and kind of mixed it up to give it a little bit more of a, I hate the word rustic, but rustic look. This arch right here that goes up through the top, that's something really special that we're gonna do. We just ordered some of the pieces for it, but overall, it's really beautiful. These are the lights that are gonna be here that we worked with Restoration Hardware when we kind of initially designed this room. They're a little bit darker, but this is a very bright, obviously very bright, sunny room. We're gonna keep it kind of white. So I think we can get away with a little bit of these darker tones, but then we'll pop a little bit more color. This is the grandfather clock that we got at the auction. Anyway, it's just nice to see everything uncovered. We did move this lamp because it was in the wrong spot. Right now, this is the French suite that Alex worked so hard on. Again, we just put these little bits and bobs just to kind of fill it right now because we have a guest staying with us, but this will not be the permanent kind of decor, although some of it might stay. And then you've got the bathroom that is completely finished, which is really, really beautiful. I think we talked about it before. This used to be initially like a light gray color, the paneling along the bottom, and it just didn't go with it. I think it needed to be lightened up a little bit more, especially since this is like a sepia tone wall mural, and it just didn't really play with those colors very well. So we kind of repainted it to white, but I think it looks much, much better. And then we got our little sitting room, which is really beautiful. We did have this couch, which is for this, and we actually just put down a little rug. Not sure if the colors are gonna be the same, and like I said, we might do some accent colors, like maybe some, I think green is a really beautiful accent color for this pinky color, but again, you're right in the center of the Killoskehane, so you get this really amazing view. And it's just a really, really cool room, right? I just think it's, I'm saying right, like I'm talking to you like right. Little nook area. I'm gonna hang that basket of flowers up there where the old thing goes, curtain rod. And so let's go look at where Ireland is. Ta-da! It's my play on shadow gap lighting, and it turned out better than I could have ever imagined. I think it's absolutely stunning. I think it's perfect. Yes, the floors aren't even because it's a very old building, but I think it adds a little bit of character. But the electrician, I mean, nailed it. It's just absolutely phenomenal. And we were debating whether we should, ooh, do you hear that? It's the ghost of the house. We're debating if we should have overhead lighting, but I don't think we're going to. I think it'll just make more sense to just keep this lighting. So here we have the, let me turn everything on. The Irish-inspired room. This is the biggest room in Killoskehane, and I'm telling you, I got chills because like I said, it was all covered up. The floors were covered, the carpets were covered. I hadn't even seen the carpet inlay yet, but we've got it all uncovered and polished. They put the first coat of wood on the floors, but you can see just how beautiful, I don't know if you can see, but this paneling is incredible. I mean, it just adds like a whole other dimension to this place. I mean, this room is every room is phenomenal, don't get me wrong, but this room is gonna be very, very, very It's going to be one of my favorites, I think. But oh, and then straight ahead, it's very concealed, but you have the hidden bathroom door. That's not the stuff that's gonna permanently be there. It's just temporary. We got a whole set that we're designing, but we just needed it to have basic water and toiletries. But yeah, this is the room, and it's coming together really, really, really beautifully, and I couldn't be more excited.